Welcome to my channel, The Wealth Blueprint. This channel is dedicated to personal finance. The series Personal Finance Mastery from Zero to Wealth is designed to help people understand money and build wealth. Many people believe that earning more money automatically makes a person rich. But in real life, that is not always true. You may have seen people who earn very high salaries but still struggle with money every month. At the same time, there are also people with average incomes who slowly become financially secure and wealthy over time. The reason is not luck. The reason is financial knowledge. People who understand how to manage money make better financial decisions. They know how to save, invest, avoid unnecessary debt, and grow their income wisely. That is exactly what this series will teach you. Most people are never taught how money really works. Schools do not teach financial education properly. Colleges also do not focus much on money management. Even workplaces rarely teach these skills. That is why many people find managing money difficult. But the good news is this: financial knowledge can be learned by anyone. You only need the willingness to learn and take small, smart steps consistently. In this series, we will learn personal finance in a very simple and practical way. The goal is not just to make you understand money, but to help you use that knowledge in your daily life. This series will help you manage your money wisely, control unnecessary expenses, build strong financial habits, increase your income step by step, understand investing in simple language, build long-term wealth and financial security. We will cover many important topics in this journey. For example, budgeting. You will learn how to create a simple budget so you know where your money is going every month. Most people lose money because they spend without planning. A budget helps you control your money instead of wondering where it disappeared. You will learn easy ways to save money without feeling stressed or deprived. Saving is not about becoming miserly. It is about preparing for emergencies, future goals, and financial peace of mind. Even small savings can grow into something big over time. We will also talk about debt. Not all debt is bad, but unmanaged debt can create serious financial problems. Many people think investing is only for rich people. That is completely false. Investing is simply a way to make your money grow over time. Passive income means earning money even when you are not actively working all the time. Building passive income takes time, but it can create financial freedom in the future. Most importantly, this series will teach you that wealth building is possible for normal people too. Real wealth is built slowly through good habits, smart decisions, patience, discipline, and consistency. Remember this important truth. One small saving matters. One smart investment matters. One good financial habit matters. Every small step you take today can improve your future tomorrow. Wealth does not happen in one day. It grows little by little, month by month, and year by year. Just like a tree grows slowly from a seed. Wealth also grows slowly through consistent effort. Wealth is not built overnight. It is built one smart financial decision at a time. If you want a better and more secure future, then this series is for you. Subscribe now and start your journey from zero to wealth. Your financial future starts today. Coming next in episode, why most people stay broke. Learn the common habits that stop people from becoming financially successful and how to change them.